Why is Muawiyah radiallahu alam always in some debate? Some say he was a legend, others treat him like a villain. Muawiyah is this and that, and you're like, wait, wasn't he a sahabi? That was me listening to people, so I decided to make a video. Didn't he write down the Quran? Didn't the Prophet love him? So why all the drama? Let's talk honestly. No sugarcoating, no hate, just the truth, as Muslims should do. Bismillah. Who was Muawiyah? Muawiyah ibn Abi Sufyan, a companion of Rasulullah, from the respected Umayyah family. He was smart, sharp, politically skilled, and yeah, he was a scribe of the Quran. He literally wrote down revelation. That's no joke, bro. And guess what? The Prophet made dua for him. Allahumma ij'alhu hadiya mahdiya. O Allah, make him a guide and one who is guided. So why the controversy? Okay, here's where it gets real. The fitna after Uthman's death. Muawiyah wanted justice. Ali radiallahu alam became the caliph, but things got tense. Muawiyah refused to give bay'ah until Uthman's killers were punished. And from there, the Battle of Siffin happened. Sahabi versus Sahabi. Two giants, two sides of the same Ummah. Was Muawiyah wrong? Bro, this is where people mess up. Some say he was power hungry. Others, he just wanted revenge. But the truth is, he did ijtihad. He believed what he was doing was for justice. Did he make a mistake? Maybe. But guess what? Even if a sahabi makes a mistake, it doesn't cancel their status. Ali radiallahu himself said, between me and Muawiyah is only a matter of ijtihad, not hate, not kufr, not betrayal. What did Ali really think? Ali never cursed Muawiyah. He never called him a hypocrite. He just disagreed with him in politics, not in deen. And after the battle, Ali even said, they are our brothers who rebelled against us. Bro, that's deep. That's mercy. That's the real adab of the Sahaba. What about Yazid? Now listen, this part brings most of the heat, because after Muawiyah, his son Yazid became the caliph. And yes, Karbala happened under Yazid. So people blame Muawiyah for appointing him. And that's why the hate sometimes spills back on Muawiyah. But hold up, Yazid's actions don't cancel his father's legacy. Muawiyah was not Yazid. And again, even if you say that was a mistake, it was still ijtihad, not the trail. What did scholars say? Imam Nawawi, he said, we remain silent about what happened between the Sahaba. Imam Ahmad, he said Muawiyah was from the scribes of revelation, don't speak ill of him. Ibn Taymiyyah, he defended him hard, said Muawiyah ruled with wisdom, patience, and justice. Even Ibn Hajar said, the good deeds of Muawiyah outweigh his mistakes. So if these giants defended his honor, who are we to curse or insult? Sunni versus Shia view. Here's the truth. A lot of the hate on Muawiyah comes from Shia sources, because they believe he fought Ali unjustly. They believe the Sahaba betrayed the Ahlul Bayt, but we say all the Sahaba were honored, and we don't curse any of them. Not Ali, not Muawiyah. We trust Allah will judge them better than we ever could. The legacy of Muawiyah. Bro, this man ruled for 20 years in peace. He brought stability after chaos. He expanded the Islamic empire. And even Ali's son made peace with Muawiyah. Think about that. If Hassan ibn Ali could trust him, shouldn't that tell you something? So yeah, Muawiyah is controversial to some. But in Islam, we're told to respect all the Sahaba. Were they perfect? No. But they were chosen by Allah to walk with the Prophet. So don't let modern hate make you forget Islamic history. Speak with adab, talk with respect, and always remember, the Prophet ﷺ said, do not curse my companions. That includes Muawiyah.